Ethu ngiphethe umqeqeshi la ucoach Bongani ume noMohau Nkota. And in many cases, whenever we tell the story of Mohau Nkota, we always say there's a coach Bongani who was nurturing the boy phansi eGaleshiwe ngara Northern Cape. But coach, ngifuna ukwazi, how do you meet with this boy? Iqala kuphi this thing?
No, I've known him for basically his entire life. We stay close to each other. So I've always known about him and I've always known about the talent. We go back from the time when he was very small.
But let's talk about this talent. Yini le wathi moyibona you were like, no, this boy is special, he can go somewhere.
No, I used to catch glimpses of him playing at home,
Okay.
In the streets, and you could see that there was talent there. And he was still very young at the time, around 9-10 years old, and he was playing for a club called Delton Brothers there in Kimberley. So that is when I started seeing that he
Delton
actually
Brothers.
has legit talent. Yes.
Oh, okay. Then from Delton Brothers, you convince him to join you.
Yes, he was playing for the development team at Delton Brothers. He was being mentored by Coach Papi Mohapi as well as Coach Solomon Moloto.
Papi Mohapi, Solomon Muloto.
Yes, they were the ones that were nurturing him. And at that stage, I was at the university, which I still am at the moment. But that is where I made the decision that he needs to be exposed to a higher level of performance, because I felt that he would be bypassed. He would be stagnant if he stayed in the same division as his peers. And that's how the move came about.
And what were the next steps that you took for him to move?
We firstly had to get his clearance. In fact, we first had to start by getting him the proper documentation, which is an ID and a passport, because he was still young at the time. And then from there, we then had to register him in our team that was playing in the regional league. But we then got the clearance card from Delton Brothers, and we registered him, and he spent a little bit of time with us before we decided that even that level was not sufficient for him. He needed to go and be exposed to a much higher level.
Later on, when he joined the Pirates DSTV Diski Challenge, surely you were convinced to this is what we know when it comes to Nkota.
Of course, I still don't think you've seen the best of him.
Are you kidding me, coach?
You have not seen the best of him. There are some glimpses or passages of play I've seen from him. The talent is unbelievable. I don't think the best of him, the best as far as he's concerned, has been seen yet. And yeah, just buckle up.
But let's talk about other names, because surely there are other boys whom you guys have produced. Are there any other names in the system whom are coming from you?
There is one other one that I can mention because he was also at the university, and that is Cassius Pandil.
Oh, okay. Yes. He played, yes. He went to Pele Pele at some point.
Yes, but he was the first player that I recommended to Orlando Pirates that ended up being signed, and then because of that pipeline and that relationship with the club, we were able to facilitate the move from Nkota during difficult times, I must say, because it was during the lockdown.
Coach, one will say when you are based in Kimberley, Northwest, Eastern Cape, it's not easy for opportunities. Are you sharing the same sentiments that one has to come to Joburg for opportunities?
Yes, that is actually the case, but we're trying to break that now.
And bridge the gap.
Yes, so that the players that are coming from there don't have to travel in order to be exposed to opportunities. You can also see that with the moves that are being made by Sol Plaatje University itself. It's becoming a hub for athletes that are higher level, high performance athletes. So that is what is being done at the moment to address this issue of the gap between your Gauteng teams and teams that are coming from the development from less privileged environments or less established environments.
Coach, any chances of us seeing your university in the varsity football at some point?
I can't speak too much about that now, but there is a case that is ongoing.
Okay.
But as far as I have it, the university did qualify for the Varsity Cup, but it's still before it's still subject to legal scrutiny.
Kodwa Ntwana, ivoice yakho. How grateful are you to coach?
No, good man, mina ngiyambongela ucoach for ukungenzela wona. And lokho ngifuna ukusho ukuthi lezi nto leya anzenzele zona because angeke ngisikhohle nami ngeke ngikhohle ngabona nami ngizile namhlanje ngizobasapota ngibanikele support yonke le enginayo ukuthi ngizobasapota ngayo yonke into enginayo baphuma kude Kimberley
It's far, it's far.
It's very far, so nami ngiphumelele la ngihlala khona phela abahlali kude la ngihlala khona, so ngizile ngizobasapota ukuthi bazobona
Uthe ekhaya kukuphi mfana laphana eNorthern Cape eGaleshini?
ukuthi
Okay, I know. Ngikuphethe coach. All the best, coach, and we look forward to seeing more of your boys ababuya from that side. You know, in many cases we hardly applaud people like you where the talent is coming from. You know, so coach, all the best. Nakule tournament Pirates Cup. How far have you guys gone?
So far we played 3 matches already. We are unfortunately out. We won 1 and drew 2 games. So we haven't lost, but we are out of the competition.
Any last word to your boy, coach? Any last word to your boy? He's still busy.
Yes, no, I wish him nothing but the best for his career. I think what I wanted for him is what I'm seeing at the moment, and he will just keep growing from strength to strength. And yeah, he has my full support. He knows it, and yeah, he knows how far we've come together.
Coach, thank you so much. Nkota, thank you for your time, brother. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.